Alright guys, this is my little FC-650. I think it came with one battery, and it came with these tires and some street tires as well. I mean, it was just a really good value. I threw a little plastic cage on there that I bought for $7 on eBay. I might turn this one into a little sandrail too, but mainly I think this video is about seeing if I can film and run a car at the same time in like a crawler type setup. You know, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, crawler video. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do too well. But anyways, yeah, it's the deal, man. Here we go. This guy can make an engine bridge. Get on, everybody. We'll see. It might crawl up the face of this rock, I don't know. Oh yeah, it did it. Come on, baby, you can do it. Come on. Yeah. Crawler. Okay, there's a crawler, not a basher. Damn. Falls pretty good up the hill. Guys. Set up a tripod and just go in here. Close. Almost on it, buddy. Great little bowl in here. Yeah, you made it, buddy. You made it. Right, man. I better get my backpack and take it with me. cut to the sand really well. And that little cage is just tie wrapped on there, but I'm gonna need panels for it and set it up pretty nice. I don't know. I just really wanted to get out and run the car out in some dirt today. We try to brought the different camera setup. That is what it is. Oh boy, oh boy. That's the going, man. That's the going. Glass in here and stuff. That's kind of dumb. Okay, I forgot to bring my camera mount with me, so I'm holding my remote and my camera all in one hand. It's very difficult to do, but I'm doing it. Why go all the way back home? It looks like the front wheel's getting loose or something, man. I think I could beef this thing up a little bit and make it a really nice car. Where's the front right tire to come off, or front left, I'm sorry. I don't know if I'm even getting anything in frame at all with this car, but I'm trying. It's a perfect car for out here in this little sand area. Works so well. That was a pretty epic wreck in the tree. Oh! I just can't wait to fix this thing up, man. Oh, God, it's not falling off and stuff. Getting them rocks. Oh well, did it again. I'm gonna take 5. Okay, here's what it looks like with some panels on it. Doesn't look too bad.